Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called SE Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Right now, this does not look like a good lifestyle. I am just finishing up from some home renovations. I just got my floors done in the luxury vinyl, and this is pretty much the aftermath. So I am so ready to get my loft area back in order. I'm ready to clean my floors. I'm ready to clean my furniture and start back beautifying my home. So if you are interested in some cleaning motivation, then keep watching. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So the first thing that I am going to start cleaning in this area is my leather sectional that I purchased from Rooms to Go many years ago. This is probably the only thing in my home that I have from my previous home, but I'm still loving it. It's still holding up very well, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean it with some leather cleaner. The leather cleaner that I'm using is good for pretty much anything. You can use it for leather in your car. You can use it for leather in your house. And I've had the leather cleaner for quite some time as well. I did not make it into Rooms to Go to grab their leather cleaner that they provide for their furniture. So I'm just using some leather cleaner that I already had on hand. And I am going to use a microfiber cloth and wipe the entire sectional down, and it's pretty dusty, and it's really my fault because I really should have covered it with some plastic, but I pretty much knew that I was going to have to clean it anyway. Even if I would have covered it with some plastic, it was going to have a good wipe down regardless. So this is where I am starting in the space. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I'm just moving on to the floors. And most of you know that typically I do the floors last, but since I have to lay down a area rug in this area, I just need to make sure that the floors are completely clean before I lay the rug down. Now, the contractors did do a pretty good job of keeping the floors clean, so there's really not a lot of debris to clean up, but I'm just going over the floors with my LG Cord Zero vacuum cleaner, and I'm going to go ahead and just get up any debris that I can visibly see. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I am going to move on to actually cleaning the luxury vinyl. And what I use is the Bono, which is good for laminate. It's good for luxury vinyl as well. And I am also using the Bono mop that I purchased from Home Depot. And when using this stuff, lifestyle lovers, you don't have to saturate your floors. You just simply spray it in the area that you're cleaning, which in this case is the entire area. So I am just spraying and then going over the area as I move towards the hallway. And as you can see, all the dustiness or the ashiness to the floors is immediately going away, and you can see the shine and the actual detail of the luxury vinyl. They are gorgeous, and I'm so happy I decided to do this. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So moving on, I am just going to go ahead and lay my area rug down in the space. This is a 5 by 8 area rug. It's not very large because of course it is the loft area, so the space is not really large, but the rug was purchased from Rooms to Go. You guys know I always talk about the furniture store is the best and cost efficient place to get your area rugs. So I'm just going to go ahead and maneuver the furniture around the area rug. Okay, now that I have the area rug in place, I'm just going to go over the area rug with my cordless vacuum cleaner just to remove any dirt or debris or trash that may have been embedded in the rug. Okay, so now I need to hang one of my large artwork pieces back on the wall. I believe the last time that I would have had company, this is pretty much the area where the kids gather. So my artwork had kind of gotten knocked out of place, so I pretty much took it down until I could actually take the time to place it back up and get it straight and level and all of that good stuff. So that is what I'm doing right now. These particular artwork pieces were purchased from Ashley Furniture. I do not know if they are still available. I know the last time I checked for someone, they were sold out, but that is where they were purchased from. Okay, so now that I have the artwork all level and positioned, I'm going to go ahead and start placing my pillows back on my sectional. I just moved a lot of the decor items to my office, so that's where I'm headed, to my office, to get everything out of there and placed back on the sofa. The tripod lamp that you see me placing back into the space, lifestyle lovers, was purchased from, I believe, Wayfair or either Overstock, but I will link it in the description box if it is still available. I've had it for quite some time. I believe it was purchased in the year 2020 or sometime in 2019, but it has been in the space for a while and I am absolutely still loving it. And as far as the pillows that are located on my sectional, this black and gold one here right on the end was purchased from At Home. The one in front of that one, the cream and gold one, was purchased from Overstock. The cerulean one was purchased from Z Gallery, and then the little one actually came with the sectional. It is the same print as the accent chair in the corner next to the tripod lamp. And this throw blanket that I'm pretty much just arranging on the ottoman was purchased from Marshall's, I believe. It is made by DKNY. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I'm just going to move on to my entertainment center or my bookcase, whatever you want to call it. It basically serves as both of those purposes, but I'm just going to go ahead and get it back in place. This set, this bookcase or entertainment center set was purchased from Wayfair, and I've had that for quite some time as well. But if I can still find it, I'll link it for you guys in the description box below. And although I referred to it as a set, you can buy the pieces separately or you can buy them all together, and I purchased them all together. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my spray away glass cleaner and wipe all of the glass shelves down. It is pretty dusty. I know it's dusty from the aftermath of the home renovations, but although there are no windows in my loft area, this entertainment center gets pretty dusty quite often. So I have to clean it at least 2 or 3 times a month if I want it to stay dust free. Okay, lifestyle lovers, this is the part of the cleaning videos that you do not see. But I got hungry, so this clean with me almost didn't get finished. I had to stop and eat. So I am just eating, it's almost a struggle meal, but since I added the shrimp, it's not a struggle meal. So I am just eating some noodles, and I have added some fresh shrimp, and it is so good because I am so hungry. Okay, so now that my little lunch break is over, it's time to get back to business. I am just adding all of my decor back to my bookshelf, and I'm pretty much just wiping it down with a clean paper towel. These items were not really dusty because they were in my office, but I'm just making sure everything is nice and clean and dust free before I place it back on the bookshelf. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I'm just placing my large floor vase back in its place, which is right here in this corner next to the linen closet. This vase was purchased from Pier 1 quite some time ago, and the uva stocks that are inside the vase were purchased from CB2. I'm just clowning. I am just using some Caldrea linen spray to spray down the fabrics in the area, which are the pillows, the throw, and the area rug. Okay, lifestyle lovers, now that I have gotten everything nice and clean, everything is back in its place, I am just going to go ahead and light a candle and pretty much relax. I feel so good when my house is clean. I am going to provide you guys some still photos at the end so you can check out how it looks, with the star of the show being the new luxury vinyl flooring. I hope you enjoyed this clean with me, lifestyle lovers. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.